don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Golden Arrows 0. I'm joined by
London.
The only Kaizer Chiefs fan that speaks football.
Hartman is Thibaut.
It's London.
It's a champion of Nedbank. We don't have to be shy to do that. Hartman, ibile 50% iwile ko Naturena kada. Skipper sa 2000 skiraka Tony Ranta. Ma China atwile ko China atlilo investor ko South Africa. Governmental state Hartman dira chalete.
Yes.
But anyway, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu.
That's right.
Hartman, not so long ago, coach
Yeah.
What an incredible win at 3-goal Brayaga.
Yeah.
Those guys, they gave him a great farewell,
Yeah.
even though it doesn't have a Nedbank Cup or a CAF champion.
Yeah,
but congratulations for them.
Yeah.
But anyway, Hartman, we need to respect Jose Rivero.
That's right.
Jose Rivero, Hartman, he'll always be generator mo South Africa.
Yeah.
Hartman, if it was not Jose Rivero, Mufukeng nkebe se Mufukeng. If nkebe se Jose Rivero, ko botsa ka mbatha le makhaola mitle le Hartman wa engine re khono rana. Nkebe stay.
Yeah.
We need to respect this coach Brayaga.
Yeah.
Ake hane hashia trophy mara at least 3 times in a row. MTN 3 times in a row. MTN 8. 2 times in a row. Nedbank Cup. Hartman, we need to respect. Not even that. The quality, the team that he built, it dominate Hartman even though as the Mualim Moteng. The youngsters at Arafil, look at TLB. We represent like a man. Kimanga, I work China TLB. TLB is like Jose Rivero. Respect Jose Rivero. Hartman, as I'm closing, I just want to be short. Hartman, this is a message that is going straight to Naturena. Hartman, Coach Nabi. It's not going anywhere. Coach Nabi must remain as a Kaizer Chiefs coach. Hartman, it's not easy to build a team tonally Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is not Mamelodi Sundowns.
That's right.
We don't have to compare Chiefs with Sundowns. Any coach that can go to Sundowns, auto excel because there's a quality there.
What is there?
So I know some of things that they were on the contract. Adi Fitella. Ufeiti. But Hartman, Coach Nabi received Confederation Cup. Coach Nabi win it in Nedbank after 10 years. Coach Nabi Brayaga who build the team eluring Isafia Hudala. Coach Nabi Hartman Hekibula Kadi player at Kaizer Chiefs. No, I'm closing. Hekibula Kadi player at Chiefs so Hartman. Allow me to say this as I'm closing, cameraman. It's not a tear of joy. Kunzima ku Kaizer Chiefs. Ke di ke le ditseletsa gore final o kare something yana at least ba hitse ka yona Nedbank le bafana ba Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs players ba hitse ka Nedbank. They are going through a lot. So it's about time re really defend. Relax. While we are celebrating over the champ, re tloele Nabi a build a team a. Junior Mutaung, re a khopela. Re a rapela. Oscar Reporter. Each and every supporter ya Kaizer Chiefs wa ka mutiso rena biatsa motho bo tsora sa tsamaya. Yes, I know hore a re kerele na before quality players. Right wing, left wing, le motho a tlo berekang le tele mo hare mo le goalkeeper Brayaga. Then re mo tloele Nabi. If a ka pallwa mo, then re tla khona ho lokile tsamaya. But hona be no Brayaga team e detseng final. Impontite hore Chiefs ya ka kora wa ikora ha isa bua. Or Chiefs ya ka ikora pele ha isa bua. Game e tsentse re di winning. utlwa Steve game tse ntse re di lositseng tse di khosang gore re be ko tlase bjana wa ka di chaka Chiefs ne dlala pila we are the team e lori e create more chances but are di convert we are the team e lori ball position but are ring are the result but it can tell you we need finishing let not be work on the finishing then we'll go for Brayaga but anyway Brayaga going to MTN 8 a man of the match okay sharp MTN 8 MTN 8 Grootman we are going MTN 8 Nedbank ele ke stamina Grootman sareria MTN 8 Nedbank ele iririle hore le confident you win those two remaining game Kaizer Chiefs players be humble remain kind feel free there's no any supporter e tlo le attackang le feeling to ne rinyaka botlhoko bone bo le ko pelong tsa rena butswile so it's about time now you don't have to feel pressure Grootman hona le pressure management le pressure ya di supporter ho kena ko fielding utlwa ka roshena ka mara mimutlo so but hona be no Braga man of the match ya ka ya today man of the match ya today ke di fan tsa Orlando Pirates tsa di tlile mo stadium di tlile we goodbye to coach Jose Rivero Grootman even the president himself Cyril Ramaphosa is here to say goodbye to Jose Rivero we need to clap hand for those guys
Thank you, General. Thank you, General. Thank you, General.